Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Assalamu Alaikum. I'm very confident all of you guys are there thriving in euphoria, and so am I. And it's a beautiful day. And I'm recording for all of you in the midst of the week. And let's start with a small chanting, okay? Be fast colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? Watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow. One step closer. I have died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. All along I believed I will find you. Time has brought heart to me. I have loved you for 1,000 years. I love you for 1,000 more. This was not me singing for all of you. This was Source, the higher force, the universe, the God, the power, the divine is singing to all of you. Spirit is singing to all of you that I have loved you for 1,000 years. I have always been here for 1,000 years. I'm going to be always here for 1,000 more years and more and infinite more. So why are you? What are you waiting for? What are you scared about? What are you so nervous about? I am here, having your back. Trust me. I was looking for you as much as you were looking for me, because what you're seeking for is seeking you. And I have always believed that you will find me and I will find you, and we found each other. So I'm your spirit. Give me a chance and take chances on yourself, and you will thrive in euphoria. So this is what the song is all about. It just intuitively came to me. I didn't think I'll sing a song today. It just came to me. So okay, let's start with the topic. We were supposed to talk about today the hypnotism, the tool, the art of hypnotism. I practice very diligently. I practice affirmations and subliminals in my everyday routine. Early morning, at least 1 hour or more than that, I do affirmations and subliminals, and then in the night before going to sleep, at least 1 hour, I do subliminals and affirmations. By whatever the earthquake can come, I do my subliminals and affirmations. Morning 1 hour, night 1 hour, and afternoon if I am not watching a very amazing movie or doing my writing or in a meeting. Otherwise, if I'm home and I'm doing nothing, I never do. It's not like that. If I'm not doing these things, then I do in the afternoon also, because it's very powerful. Subliminals and affirmations are meant to hypnotize your rewire, you reprogram your subconscious brain condition, right? So when your subconscious is reprogrammed with the new perceptions, new belief system, new ideologies, new reality, new energies are created, new cells are taking rebirth, produced, reproduced, which is in sync with the higher force, with divine, with universal consciousness, and your reality starts changing for sure in every area of your life. So today I'm just giving a small example of, it would be really interesting story because I love this story of my life, because this is the great manifestation. I've done so many manifestations, right? Everything is a manifestation, but this is a wonderful story. You all will enjoy it because it's very, very vulnerable, very sensitive, very private kind of story, and I really love sharing with all of you. Without keeping it more suspense, I'll just start and tell the story right now. You guys are excited? Okay, let's start. So the story is about constipation, right? How it is my story. I got constipation and how I changed my reality, right? So I got 2 times. Okay, when I was a child, I got a severe constipation. Maybe I was not drinking water and not taking care of myself. I didn't know. I was a school student. My family had not been very much aware of nutrition, fiber, dehydration, health and all. They never educated me. Even in schools, they don't educate about all of these things. You go any schools, institutes, that is what I always say. Every institute, every school must have this curriculum. It's the basic thing. It's like in Gurukul it was taught, it must be taught how to breathe, what to eat, how to live a life. Then only your academic, your economy, your well-being, your development, your intelligence will go to its highest par. It's not just to teach what is there in the book, the formulas, the literature. It doesn't work like that. Then we again go through these painful situations, and unless and until we meditate and we get in touch with the self-help tools, we don't understand. So I'll come to the story. So I had a constipation when I was in school, and due to so many causes which I was not aware, but today I can tell all that. And then what happened, my mom and dad, they gave me medicines, took me to a doctor, and it was very serious. I could not shit. I was feeling so much of pain, and so much heavy. It was bloating. And then what happened, once my dad, I couldn't bear it. So dad, it is, if you lubricate that area, then the pain will be to a little bit be numb. You'll not feel that much painful, and then you can, with the medicines, you can get loose motion, and slowly it will come out. So dad did that. He took a Lifebuoy soap, but it was very small, and he took that soap. I remember when I was in school, and then he took that soap and he lubricated me completely outside and inside, so that the shit will come out. I remember the story. Just imagine. And then it happened so painfully. Dad made sure that my shit has come out. He made sure that shit is coming out. He was watching, and I was like, I started bleeding also. But I did shit, and then I felt relieved after a few days of constipation. I remember that. And it was a painful thing. So many medicines and so many lubricating tools, ideas, and then every time like a labor pain, to give pressure, to give birth to stools. So it was like that. It's fun, right? My stories are fun, so let's go ahead. So then what happened next? When I become an adult, and it again, once I was going through my spiritual journey, I was healing in my spiritual journey, so I had better awareness of the art of hypnotism, how I can hypnotize myself and change my reality. It's very easy. You can instantly do it, but you have to align with that reality. That is why the hypnotism is a very powerful tool, very significant process to ease yourself into that reality which you wish to manifest. So I become an adult. I can't ask somebody to lubricate me and then bring that out. And by that time, in my spiritual journey, I had stopped taking medicines, and I don't use medicines anymore since years now. I don't get sick or ill. If anything, any small cut or pain or anything happens, I just hypnotize myself and I heal it. I heal it by myself, and with sound and light code healing, which is a part of my journey. I subscribe to, I always share with you guys also, sound and light codes, which helps my DNA, transform to that state where I wish to be. So sound affirmations and subliminals is one of the sound tool. It's a sound therapy. So that what happened, and I'm an adult and I've got constipation again. अब क्या करना है? अब तो मैं पापा को नहीं बोल सकती कि पापा मुझे इधर ये लगा के निकालना है. But I was staying alone, and then what to do? I don't subscribe to medicine. When you can't subscribe, you can't. I had to force myself ki let me take medicine, but my conscience, my consciousness is telling no medicine. You don't take medicine. Come on, you're an alchemist. You can change it. So I started reading. Then you understand, it is an effect, but there is a cause. There is a cause beneath the surface which we don't subscribe to. We think it temporarily कैसे इसको कम करना है. No, that is not the solution. Now I'm not that person anymore. I understand in permanent healing. I understand in natural healing. I understand to work on the cause, then the effect will automatically transition, will transform, right? So what to do? I started reading what are the causes of constipation. Why does it happen? And where does it happen? So it is your intestine and your colon, right? Whatever, all the toxins, all the trauma, all the suffering, all the pain, all the unhealthy stuff which is blocked and stuck in your intestine and in the colon for yourself, and your bowels are not regularly moving properly, then you're stuck with all the toxins in your body. And the moment you start moving your bowels properly, your colon and your intestine, all the toxins will easily go out. It will flow down, it will come down, and then you can have smooth and proper stool. You will detoxify. I learned about it. So I had to do, my bowels were not moving properly because I was not doing any physical movement, physical exercise. Our lifestyle is like that, right? You work from home, office and all that. We don't do all that. So I was not doing any physical activity that time. How I learned about it, I'm just sharing a story. It might help anybody, or you don't have to get it to do that. Why it is so important, I'm saying. So physical activity नहीं हो रहा था, body में fibers नहीं है. You're not eating fiber based food. And another thing is no proper hydration. पानी नहीं, अच्छे से पानी नहीं पी रहा. These three factors I had to make sure. Drink enough water, eat fiber based food. Third is physical exercise, physical activity. So I started doing that. Along with, while you're doing that, you have this pain, right? This physically, you are going through this experience, you have the pain. How can you calm your mind? It's all in the mind. The moment you calm your mind and not react to the pain which your body is feeling, then that pain will subside because you will not be feeling, you're immune to the pain. So I had to train myself to, I can't ignore, to be immune to the pain. Okay, I'm feeling it, but I'm not glorifying that emotion. I'm not focusing on it. I understand it's there, but it's there. Let it be. It is out for me. I was laughing. I was hypnotizing myself with those affirmations that I'm done. I'm out of it. The stool is out. I am detoxified. I'm hydrated. I am perfectly healthy. So I have been hypnotizing my subconscious that the problem is solved. The healing is done. There is no pain in my body. There is no toxin in my body. I'm completely clean, clear, pure. My bowels are moving so clearly and my colon is completely clear. My intestines are fully clean and everything is flowing in divine process, in the divine flow. So these all subliminals and affirmations I have been listening to, where people have Thanks to people, thanks to these star seeds and angelic beings who have been providing these sound therapies. So I had been subscribing to that. I'll share that here because it's a constipation story. So it's for health, not just for constipation. So what I did listen to these affirmations and subliminals to reprogram my mind that everything is all right, everything is cleared, and there is no such issues going on in my physical or my reality. So my programming was happening, reprogramming of subconscious was happening about everything is healed. At the same time, I started drinking gallons of water every single day, and then I started eating fiber based food, lot of apples, lot of flax seeds, chia seeds, and then lot of watermelons, and then berries, and then less solid, no chili diet, and most of fruits and water diet, and little bit of solid one meal, that is lot of vegetables, and all of that, and then healthy seeds and everything which I said, chia, flax, pumpkin seeds, all of that I started eating. A lot of watermelons and pomegranate and apples and pears. These are fiber based foods. So I started eating, and then drinking, and then I started dancing. That's how my dancing was restored after a long time. I stopped dancing in between. Then when this happened, I did that. I was dancing, and then just in one day, I saw that I have subsided hell amount of pain. It was heaven for me. I felt like I'm in heaven because 60 to 70% of pain had gone down for me. I was not shitting, but the pain was gone down. I was not feeling that I will let go. Otherwise it was so difficult for me to bear it, and I was like, okay, I can relax now, I can sleep now, I can feel better, because I had been reprogramming my brain, my consciousness to that state where I am at peace, where I am healed, where I am perfect health, where there is no toxins in my space, my body, my mind, my reality. While doing that, I was subscribing to perfect eating, living, drinking habit, and in one day I was feeling so better, so much better. And then the second day, I did another day, I have been doing this, listening, hypnotizing my brain while eating this good food and everything. And then the second day, without pain, I did shit, man. I did shit. And I was feeling so, and I was like, so much relief. You can shit now. So important, right? You can't do anything if you are not healthy. Why is health so important? And then I understood the power of hypnotism. Absolutely, I was doing these food and water, but it would have taken me at least a week or more to, get the smooth sailing of stool and release the pain and get into the normal mode. It would have been taken a week or so with that process, because I was not doing anything to subside the physical pain. I was eating so that I can get to a normal health lifestyle, so then everything can come close, become better for me. But while doing that, I had to also calm my mind. Otherwise, the mind keep telling you that story that you're in pain, So what happens when you take the medicine? It works on our cells on our brains. The pain, the medicine works. The drug works to convince your brain cells that the pain is gone down, and the pain goes down. It is all in the mind. Even the drug works like that. You think the drug is working to release the pain in your body, is to an extent it controls it, it numbs it, but the medicine is working on your brain. It is having a side effect on your brain. So when I understood that I can do that naturally, because drug have lot of chemicals and synthetics which I don't subscribe to. So I did this hypnotism tools, exercises with my meditation and the affirmations and subliminals. and then in 2 days I did shit. I started shitting properly like normal human being. And there was no more constipation. I had to share this story because it's so important. I understand in my childhood what all I had gone through, and when I became an adult I had manifested that reality again. And even in those affirmations I was reading that on those subliminals, on those hypnotism tools, it is not just the toxin of food and the solid items or pesticides or was there in the body. It was also anger, resentment, and baggage, and sorrow, sadness, pain, suffering, emotional, mental. That also is an effect which stays in our intestine and in our colon. It stays there in blocks. It blocks the root chakra. The root chakra is the base chakra. Then your shit, your problems, which is below abdomen, it starts. Abdomen के नीचे जितने भी parts है, your geneticals, your bones, your legs, your feet, all those start becoming weak and start affecting. So your root chakra is blocked. It's also because of your emotional, mental, physical trauma, not just the food, and everything plays its integral part. So in those subliminals and affirmations, I was healing and bringing me back to that state where I was able to release all these, resistance, the resentment, the blockage, and at the same time I was feeding myself with good health, good food, good water, and proper physical exercise with my meditation and the affirmation tools, which is my sound therapy. And I was doing proper feet massage at the same time, leg massage, my abdomen massage. You have to do abdomen massage so your bowels start moving properly. So I was doing that, and then in 2 days, naturally, with no doctor, with no medicine, nothing. That's what a scientist is all about. You do a research, you understand the cause, and then you bring an answer, you get the effect. And it is so easily available today, right? Like I'm sharing, it is everybody sharing their experience. They have made something out of it because they have gone through that. And this is what I think it will help you in your journey. If you have any such questions, not just related to your colon, your bowels, your intestines, or your constipation, or your root chakra, any physical illness you have, anything it can be, whether it's cancer, HIV, doesn't matter. You can write to me, and there are so many available tools which helps us in every area of our life. I had healed my ovary issues, my PTSD issues, where I was having hormonal imbalance and I was getting overweight, and it could have led to later BP and conceiving issues and menstrual issues. But on time I learned about it and I stopped it with my meditation and hypnotism tools like affirmations and journaling, and with my physical and food activities, diet, and all that. So any instructions you need, you can write to me. I work very close with healers, professors, doctors, and scientists. I work closely with all of them, like research specialists and all of that. Even I'm closely working with pharma companies who provide these kind of solutions with free of chemicals and synthetics, and more of herbal and Ayurveda and natural ingredients, and at the same time these tools and healing practices, right? You can write to me whatever it is, and we can talk about it and work on that. Meanwhile, the video has gone so long, like our stool. Let's end it here, and I'll tune in soon with more information on different topics. Bye.